today's video, we're going to show you guys how to make a 4-ball stack of 42-inch ornaments. This works the same with 36-inch ornaments or 24-inch ornaments. Where I would first start at, this is the hardware you're going to get when we send it to you. You're going to have a base, a pole, and a middle collar. Middle collar has 3 carabiners on it. Once you've unboxed everything, you get everything situated, build this first, and then take 2 of the ornaments, bring them in close to this, like just like this. Take it, pull them a little snug, a little tight, and then we're gonna take our top ball. We'll have one guy grab it. We'll have one guy kind of guide it. If you need 3 people, that's super helpful in this process. Alright. Now it's just your top ball on here. Take your 1/2-inch drive, your impact. Find your set bolt, wherever it may be. Get your impact on it. You need to move the ornament out of here. Make sure it's tight. Alright. Now she got this. We'll take our last bottom ball. We'll move it in. This may be a little hard because you can't get a little space. This can be a pain, as I said before. Just keep working with it until you finally get it snapped in there. There you go. Alright. You'll notice your top ball is probably sitting on 2 of your 3 ornaments. That's completely fine. That gives you kind of more of a base to sit on, just to make sure it stays nice and solid. That's about it. Once you have this done, you're finished. You can leave it here now and not worry about it no more. And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.